everyone, welcome back to our channel. One to step. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Yubo account using your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Yubo app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in. Now on your interface, you can see options like Explore and Invite and Live. Now all you have to do is select user icon at the top right corner. Once you do that, again at the top right corner there's a setting option. Tap on it. Once you select settings, you have to scroll down and at the end you can see there is delete account option right below logout. Select the delete account option, then they will ask you to type delete. To confirm you want to delete your account, once you type in delete in all caps, select delete account option. And guys, that's it. That's how you delete your Yubo account using your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.